The Woodcutter and the Axe. A poor woodcutter named Ram lived in a small hut on the outskirts of a village. Ram would go to a nearby forest every single day to cut trees and would sell the wood to a wealthy merchant in order to earn his livelihood. Despite having no money, Ram was a very honest man. One day, while Ram was cutting wood near a river, his axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the river. The river was quite deep, and his axe was his only means of earning money. He grew anxious. Ram worried about how he would feed his family without his axe, as woodcutting was the only skill he knew. He prayed for help, and suddenly a miracle occurred. God appeared in front of him. Ram's prayers were sincere, and therefore God had appeared before him. He asked about his problem, and Ram explained the entire episode. God then said that he would help Ram out. God then slipped his hands into the water and pulled out an axe made of a silver. Seeing the shiny silver thing, Ram said that this was not his axe, as his axe was made out of iron. Then God continued searching in the water and pulled out a golden axe and showed it to Ram. Even after seeing the shiny golden tool, Ram was not tempted and said it was not his axe and refused to accept it. At last, God searched again and finally pulled out Ram's iron axe, and Ram was finally relieved and said that the iron axe belonged to him and accepted it with elation. God was impressed after seeing Ram's honesty. God was moved by Ram's integrity and rewarded him with the golden and silver axes as a token of appreciation for being an honest man in this convincing world. Ram was overwhelmed by God's gift and accepted it with his whole heart. Thereafter, Ram was never more a poor man. He continued to live a content, happy, and a peaceful life as a woodcutter. Moral of the story. It emphasizes that honesty is the best policy. In this story, a woodcutter is an honest man who is not at all greedy even when he is offered a silver and a golden axe. He only wished for his iron axe, which was the only source of his livelihood. Therefore, the story teaches us to be honest even in the most difficult situations.